What is the difference between because and so? Hi, I'm Jennifer. In this lesson, I'll explain the difference. Why? Because I want to help you learn to use these words in everyday English. We use why to ask a question about a reason for an action, an event, or a situation. Why is the floor wet? Why are you sad? You didn't call me. Why? We use because to explain. We state the reason, the cause. The floor is wet because I just cleaned it. I'm sad because my aunt is sick. I didn't call because I was very busy. In these examples, you can see two parts, the cause and the effect. Look. The floor is wet because I just cleaned it. I'm sad because my aunt is sick. I didn't call because I was very busy. In everyday conversation, we don't always use a full sentence. We often just say the reason. Why is the floor wet? Because I just cleaned it. Why are you sad? Because my aunt is sick. You didn't call me. Why? Because I was very busy. I'm sorry. Help me form two questions with why. Let's use the present progressive. 1. Why are you cleaning the floor? 2. Why are you wearing pajamas? Now let's form short answers to the questions. Use the past tense. 1. Why are you cleaning the floor? Because I dropped an egg. 2. Why are you still wearing pajamas? Because I woke up late. Are you enjoying the lesson so far? Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you. All right, good job. Now look carefully. Let's see how we can use so with the same ideas. Here are the sentences again. I'm cleaning the floor because I dropped an egg. I'm still wearing pajamas because I woke up late. Do you remember which part is the cause and which part is the effect? Look. Because lets us add on to the sentence. We add on a reason. So lets us add on to a sentence. We add on the effect, the result. I dropped an egg, so I'm cleaning the floor. That's why I'm cleaning the floor. I woke up late, so I'm still wearing my pajamas. That's why I'm still wearing my pajamas. Also, note the punctuation. We need a comma before so. So and because are both connectors. They connect ideas. They have a special name, conjunctions. But they're different kinds of conjunctions. That's why we need a comma before so when we add on the effect, the result. Try a quiz. Can you choose the correct word? The correct conjunction: 1. I like to sing because it makes me happy. 2. I was hungry, so I'm making a sandwich. 3. I'm not feeling well, so I'm going home early. 4. I'm excited because I had a wonderful job interview. 5. I was listening to music, so I didn't hear you. 6. I ordered a large pizza, so we can eat at home tonight. For practice, write your own examples with because and so. Share them in the comments. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy studies.